and welcome to the e-training module. Today, let us learn about how to adapt wash facilities so as to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Ensuring that schools are wash compliant is an essential part of the Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya mission. The Ministry of Education launched the Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya campaign in 2014 and subsequently instituted the Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar to inculcate a sense of pride and urgency in creating and maintaining wash infrastructure and behavior in schools. To understand what a minimum wash package contains, observe the illustration on the right. Water supply is required for any school to be wash compliant, and hence, certain norms were defined during the pre-COVID-19 pandemic for non-residential and residential schools. Please read all the points carefully to understand the details of the norms and the basis on which they were created. As schools reopen, there will be a need for certain adaptations to be made in the wash facilities. Teachers should be aware of these new requirements. Take your time to read about the 6 ways to ensure safe drinking water in school premises. Let us learn about the various sanitation norms for toilets and urinals during COVID-19 times. Toilets have multiple touch points and are a major site for spread of the coronavirus. To prevent the spread of the virus, frequently touched surfaces must be regularly disinfected and proper precautions should be followed by students. Some of the precautionary measures to be taken by the school staff are mentioned here. Individual actions are as important as institutional actions for staying safe from the coronavirus. Here are 7 key safety measures that all students and staff must follow, whether they are in school or anywhere else. Remember that the precautions mentioned in these slides ensure maximum protection from the virus. School sanitary staff are the heroes who fight against the spread of the coronavirus at school level. As teachers, you must ensure that they are provided with and correctly use PPE such as masks, gloves, aprons, etc. Please see some of the pre-COVID hand washing norms. Study the table carefully to know the requirements so that we may compare these with the requirements during the COVID pandemic. Just like the water requirement norms during the COVID pandemic, the norms for hand washing need to be adapted to ensure that hand washing points are safe and easily accessible. Here are some essentials that must be ensured in all schools. Hand washing stations should be adapted such that they cater to the special requirements imposed by the ongoing COVID pandemic. Please observe the measures related to wash basin installation, water discharge system, and waste management so that you can ensure adherence to these norms in your school. Please see the summary checklist here that school administrators, teachers and staff can use to ensure that the basic measures for infection prevention are adopted and adequate infrastructure is available. The norms mentioned herein refer to certain provisions that must be made during these times. Please find here a continuation of the summary checklist. Read about the behaviors and practices that you have to encourage among students and staff. Please find here a checklist for students and parents. This highlights various measures for maintaining hygiene and education regarding various COVID-19 facts and behavior towards others. Encourage students and parents to follow each and every measure listed here to ensure maximum protection from the virus. Please go through some interesting examples of low-cost hand washing stations from different states in the reading material that has been provided to you. This will help you with some replicable models. Within the reading material, you will find additional examples of interesting global and national best practices for school preparedness prior to reopening that you must read and familiarize yourself with. These examples will give you some easy to replicate good ideas.